Welcome back. So now let us see how exactly we can read the same information using a for loop. Okay, so let me copy this particular program. Let me paste this program again, and I am naming it as a read JSON 3. So wherever the for each loop is there, I just want to replace it with a for loop. Okay, that's it. Let me kill this one. So here, this is what the for each loop is. So I'm referring to for constant data of JSON array, and this time I just want to have this particular content. I haven't changed anything. I just kept this particular information. Instead of a for each loop, I just kept it as a for loop, guys. That's it. And when I run this program, of course, the same way how it ran executed earlier, the same way it's gonna execute on a two sets of a data. So this is the way how exactly you can read the data from a JSON, and how exactly you can use a for loop and as well as a for each loop. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.